In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to add a third-party library or a third-party Node package to your Node application. So we're going to install a popular JavaScript library called underscore. So on npmjs.com, here if you search for underscore, you can find this package underscore, and the latest version is 1.8.3. Let's have a quick look here. So this is how we install underscore. We simply run npm install underscore in the command prompt or terminal. Below here, you can see some basic information about underscore. You can see the publisher. You can see the latest version. You can see the address of the GitHub repository. You can see the homepage for this package, that is underscorejs.org. The name of the collaborators, some basic statistic like the number of times this package has been downloaded, as well as some other basic information. So whenever you want to work with a Node package, a good starting point is npmjs.com. You can find packages here, you can read about them, how to use them, and so on. Now, back in terminal, npm install, or we can use I. That is shorter and faster. So npm I underscore. So when you run this, two things happen. First, in package.json, you can see this new property, dependencies, and under that you can see underscore. So here in package.json, we specify all the dependencies of our project and their version. So here the version of underscore is 1.8.3, and we have this special caret character, which I'm going to talk about later in this section. So when you run npm install, npm is going to download the latest version of the given package from npm registry, and then it will store it inside a folder called node _modules. So under this, you can see we have this underscore folder. Here we have a bunch of files. One of these files is package.json. So every node module has this package.json, just like our node application. So if you look at the package.json for underscore, you can see the version is 1.8.3. And here you can see some more information or metadata about this underscore package, such as the homepage, the keywords, and so on. Now, in previous versions of npm, the proper way to install a node package was like this. npm install, let's say underscore. We also had to supply the save flag. Without this flag, you wouldn't get underscore in the list of dependencies in package.json. But this behavior is changed in the recent versions of npm. So we no longer need to specify the save flag. We only run npm install, add the name of the package, and this will update package.json and also download the latest version of that package and store it inside of the node modules folder.